147 grain German, 50 foot, fire when ready. This is our fourth shot. We now have a trauma pad, level 3A patch behind it to act as a trauma pad to see if we can reduce some of the blunt force trauma. Alright, fire when ready.
Firing.
Alright, that was a hit. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah, you're still right on top of it.
We're getting some more plate deformation, you can see it. But nothing.
Holy shit. Now that...
You can see plate deformation here.
Yeah.
And it pressed this in, but it pressed it in evenly.
Trauma pad will take off pretty much everything.
Well, this is 3A, this isn't a trauma pad though.
Yeah, it's just a little 3A, so a little bit of any type of foam behind it would stop it.
Yeah. If you look at it from the end, you can see
just a little bit of a rise. Tilt it down a little bit. Right there. Yep, just barely. Flip it up and let me see the front. Nice. Very, very nice. Still haven't made it through yet.